Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm going.
Now.
I'm going. You're hurting.
Put your right hand behind your back now.
I'm peeing myself. I'm peeing myself.
Put your right hand behind your back.
I'm laying on my hand.
Give me your right hand now. Anything else behind you?
No, you pulled my back and you hurt me.
Why are you acting like I'm the crazy one? Okay? You're reaching into your bag, grab a needle to empty it out.
Actually, I wasn't grabbing it.
You were.
Hello friends, Squink here, former cop, current and future UFC women's strawweight world champion, here to break down another video using my law enforcement experience and to try to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from code BlueCam. Woman dumps out meth in front of cop, instantly regrets it. I've never seen this. I'm walking in blindly, trying to give perspective using my police experience. Here we go.
Oh, you made me pee myself.
Why are you acting like I'm the crazy one?
It really smelled like pee. What? I'm sorry. I'm not mad at you.
This is Ashley. Officers have responded to a call about an argument she is involved in. But when they find Ashley digging through her bags, it becomes clear that this isn't just a routine call, but the beginning to uncover a hidden crime.
You need help, Alex?
You pulled my back and you hurt me.
On the afternoon of June 3rd, 2025, at around 1 p.m., officers from the Marshfield Police Department are dispatched to an area after Wood County Dispatch reports a male and female arguing. The woman is described as wearing a dark-colored sweatshirt and carrying multiple bags. As officers head to the scene, they had no idea that this routine call will soon expose a far more serious crime.
Hey.
Oh no, Ashley.
In front of the old folks home over there.
They actually aren't arguing.
Oh, yeah, we had a couple people that called.
Yeah, they're not arguing. I'm going for a walk. Nothing, I'm going to Squink farm.
Oh, they said you were yelling at each other and screaming, and they were concerned enough to call.
Oh, no, we were just fine.
The woman is 37-year-old Ashley. When the officer checks with dispatch later, he will learn that she already has an open case in Wood County and a prior conviction for drug-related offenses. Meanwhile, as the officer speaks with Ashley, another officer arrives on scene and detains the man she was reportedly arguing with. But his version of events doesn't quite match Ashley's.
Hey, come here. What's up? Put your hands on your back for me real quick.
What? Oh, man, it's just my Delta, dude.
Is that all it is?
Yeah.
Alright.
I was gonna give you that gratification.
Alright. Yeah, you, man. I just saw you hiding it, so we're gonna put you in cuffs until we figure out what's going on.
I would take the backpack off of him and then handcuff him.
Okay.
Delta, bro.
What's going on, by the way? That's why we're talking. That's why I'm out here talking to you. What's going on back here?
Excuse me.
Huh?
Nothing, dude. You said one thing and then it does another, that's all.
120 Marshfield. I'm 1095 with the mail. For right now.
I guess if something's not broken, don't fix it.
So what's going on?
Nothing. She'll explain it.
Okay. Well, why don't I hear your status there, right?
I was just called for support.
You were what?
Moral support.
I have no idea what that means. We get called because you guys are fighting up in front up on the.
Just yelling because that's hurt.
Okay.
She don't know how to talk, that's all. I'm trying to get her off this.
Off what?
Up to meth.
Meth?
Yeah, I'm trying to get her off there. So we both kind of back and forth.
You got any on you right now? No? Alright. So it's all just an argument? It didn't sound like it was much more than that, but okay.
Yeah.
My partner's talking to him, so this is all just a weed pipe or what?
Yeah,
that's all this was?
Delta, man, but you guys they made a big deal about it. That's why I was just like, all right, until they get done talking, I'll go
here, come here once.
While the man continues to speak with the officer, his detainment doesn't go down well with Ashley, who is watching from the other end.
What's your,
Jesse, why are they arresting him?
what's your name?
Ashley.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. That's all.
Ashley, relax.
We were walking in front of Squink farm. We were literally walking Squink farm.
Okay. Someone called and said someone matching your description was arguing and yelling at each other over there.
Did you hear an
Were you over in front of the Stony River over there?
We walked from freaking.
Where'd you walk from?
So those of you asking, like, isn't a verbal argument enough to have police detain you? And it absolutely is. If they believe that there's some sort of domestic type situation going on, they're going to investigate it fully to make sure the potential victim is okay. So they're going to take these things very seriously to make sure the victim and the other person involved is safe and that they are not in distress.
You are from evening over this way.
Okay, so you weren't at all over by the old folks home at all.
We straight up walked this road.
Because oftentimes in domestic situations, the victim is going to claim that they're okay, but in actuality, things are not okay at all.
We weren't even from doing anything. He wasn't talking. He was calling my name, he kept up to me.
What's your first name?
Actually. Why is he being arrested?
What's your middle initial? I don't know. I have no idea.
I don't know why he's being arrested. We were watching the Squink farm. I wonder why he's being arrested.
I don't know, but I'm going to figure that out, okay?
I need to know why he's being arrested. It's not fair. He didn't do anything. We were walking the Squink
What's
farm.
his name?
Michael.
Michael what?
Yellow Thunder.
Does he have any warrants or anything like that?
He was just reported with him for Friday.
Okay.
I wonder what he's doing. We were literally walking the fucking Squink farm.
Okay, so someone matching your guys' description were yelling at each other over in front of an old folks home over here. So were you guys over there?
No, we were literally walking
Okay, so if I
down
look
the
at
road.
cameras, you guys wouldn't have been over there.
I didn't see anybody. I saw nobody anywhere.
Right, but you were in front of, walking in front of an old folks home.
I don't know
arguing.
where I am. I'm new to Marshfield. I don't walk this area. I'm walking, and he's trying to catch up to me.
Fair enough, okay.
I
You
wonder
guys
what
weren't
he's
arguing
doing.
or mad about anything?
No.
As the officer relays Ashley's details to dispatch for verification, she suddenly gets busy digging for shit in her bags. And as the officer approaches her about it, he's about to uncover something unexpected that will change the nature of this case.
Following me?
Do you have an ID?
I don't have my phone is dead. I only have the copy of my phone. My phone is dead. Which is why
I didn't ask you about your phone. Do you have an ID?
No, I do on my phone. I'm still with my hard copy of my ID.
You what?
I'm waiting for my hard copy of my ID.
Oh, you don't have a hard copy?
No, I'm waiting for it to come in now.
You have a Wisconsin driver's license?
No, I have a Wisconsin ID.
Where do you have an ID out of?
Wisconsin. I only have a Wisconsin state ID.
Okay. Huh?
Can you please tell me what's going on with them?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm over here. I gotta.
Please don't follow the Squink farm. That's all we're doing is follow the fucking Squink farm. My work stuff. I need my badge and my ticket table. Oh, my ticket number.
Where do you work?
Applebee's.
Okay. Okay. Don't dig around in there. Get out of the bag. Get out of the bag.
No.
Now. Get out of the bag and put that down. Put it on the ground.
Ow!
Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground.
They don't want them digging in the bags because they could pull out a gun. The chances of that are slim, but it does happen. So they're just going to eliminate the chance of that happening by just telling them, don't reach in the bag.
Oh,
Get on the ground.
I'm going.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm going.
Now.
I'm going. You're hurting.
Put your right hand behind your back now.
I'm peeing myself. I'm peeing myself.
Put your right hand behind your back.
I'm laying on my hand.
Give me your right hand now.
I'm laying on it. Ow! Sir, you're hurting me. I'm laying on my hand.
Although the video doesn't clearly show what Ashley is doing while digging through her bags, the body camera of the other officer, who had been detaining the man, captures part of it as he walks over to assist the officer speaking with her.
Alright, hang tight. I'm gonna walk down and see what's going on here. You need help, Alex?
I'm gonna put handcuffs on you.
Why? You made me pee myself. Ow!
Why didn't you just listen, Ashley? If an officer tells you to stop digging in the
While
bag,
it is still
stop.
unclear what Ashley did to be detained, the officer will soon confront her about it. For now, as he detains her for her actions, she has only one thing to say.
Can I please go down? I literally peed myself. I'm laying on the wet floor. Please.
Hold on.
I peed myself. I literally peed myself. I peed myself, sir. I peed myself.
Right, yeah, we got that.
Oh, you let me pee myself. Ow.
Let go of what's in your hand. I'm gonna put handcuffs on you.
Why? You made me pee myself.
Yeah, we heard
Ow.
you.
I peed myself. I peed myself.
Just trying to empty them.
Ow.
One.
Can I get on the ground now? I already peed myself. No, I peed myself. You let me lay on the ground.
Do you guys think she peed herself, or?
I peed off the ground. I'm wet and I peed myself. I peed myself.
Oh, she
Roll
did.
right.
She did pee herself.
I peed myself.
Come up here. Stand up.
Ow. You hurt my back and I peed
Do you have
myself.
anything else in your
No,
pockets?
I don't have
Ashley.
pockets. Well, besides myself, I don't have anything in my pockets. Can I sit on my bag or something? Can I get my other sweater and sit on something where it's not wet?
Hey, come over by that car. Are you on probation or anything?
Yes.
You have okay.
She's pissed. Get it? Cause she peed herself.
Cases?
I have one over case for a drug paraphernalia misdemeanor.
Anything else on you?
No, you let me. You caught my back and you hurt me.
Why are you acting like I'm the
Because
crazy one?
You,
Okay?
You're
reaching into your bag to grab a needle to empty it out.
Actually, I wasn't grabbing it.
You were.
I know. I was
Yes,
actually
you were.
looking
It was
for
in
my ID.
your hand.
I was so looking
No, you
for
weren't.
You want to see my ID? My.
Oh, so now you have an ID.
No, my
So
Applebee's
you-
ID. I do not have
No,
a.
you
I
had
don't
a
have.
needle in your hand.
I have my ID. I was going for my
Okay.
ID.
Yeah, if she's got a needle in her hand, guys, that's a weapon, and especially if it's a dirty needle, they're gonna treat that pretty seriously.
All right.
I never said you were. But you let me pee myself.
Over here.
You let me pee myself.
Do you have anything else?
No,
on you?
I
Do you have
don't-
any needles on you?
No, I don't have any needles on me.
Okay, she's gonna come search you. Okay.
According to the report the officer later filed, he saw Ashley holding a syringe filled with a dark-colored liquid. When he told her to drop
Heroin.
it, she refused, pulling it
meth.
out of the bag and removing the cap instead. As Ashley began to empty its contents onto the grass, the officer quickly stepped in and detained her. And now, even while she's being searched, Ashley's still clinging to her recital, but this time, the officer has an answer for her.
Plastic. Can I please somehow change out of these wet pete's clothes?
Not right now. I didn't make you pee your pants. You're an adult. You know how to.
I don't. I cannot control it.
Okay.
They really smell like pee.
Well, I'm sorry.
I'm not mad at you.
I'm sorry it smells like pee, but that's not my concern right now.
Is it okay for me to change out of these pants?
Not right now. Just hang tight. Let me finish searching you, okay? Separate your feet from me.
Meanwhile, the other officers start gathering some pretty telling evidence from the scene.
I think she ended up getting this one dumped out.
Trying to destroy evidence. That's what she was trying to do.
And yeah, we'll take all this stuff.
That'll still test though.
I got pretty excited when he saw it. They were both watching you pull in there, you know.
Yeah.
And he ran in front of this car and he see him take something out of his pocket and throws it on the ground and see him start stomping on it. So I was like, all right. I was like, all right. I didn't see anything. I came down this way, but I'll walk it again. But
Okay, I'll meet you back there.
Yep.
Since the other officer doesn't find any evidence against the man involved with Ashley, he releases him after requesting a blood test.
If it comes back as the illegal weed, I'm gonna write you a ticket for paraphernalia.
It
Okay.
was THCA is all it is.
Okay. If it comes back to legal, it's fine. Okay. I won't write you no tickets and
I got on Maxons that day. I seen him. I turned myself in.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Take these cuffs off of here and he's gonna grab that from you. You can be decent, right?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
You're getting released, is what I'm telling you.
I got
So.
30 days left of paper after 23 years. Man.
Well, I wouldn't do anything stupid right now, then.
You're not gonna walk with her this way. Yeah.
No, she's going to jail.
Is she?
Yeah.
What's Can I get her phone before she goes in? Because I gotta get a hold of her boss and everything. Let her know. What's your phone number?
I'll let you know. Just don't come down there by us, okay?
During this search, officers found a purple metal grinder containing an unmeasurable amount of green plant material, along with a metal tube coated with white residue. The white crystalline substance later tested positive for drugs, while the green plant material showed a high concentration of THC. After collecting all the evidence, Ashley is taken to the Marshfield Police Station, where she is eventually allowed to change her clothes. She was later transferred to the Wood County Jail on charges that included 1 count of felony possession of meth, misdemeanor, 2 counts of resisting obstructing an officer, possession of THC, possession of drug paraphernalia, and bail jumping. All are repeat offenses. And she was eventually released on a $3,000 cash bond.
All right, pretty cut and dry. Don't do drugs, ladies and gentlemen. I think the police did a pretty decent job. I give them a 7.8 out of 10. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you tomorrow. Bye.